Step into the world of seamless refrigeration with the M Motico 2-pack, 240,534,901 door shelf rack bar and 2-pack, 240,337,103 refrigerator crisper bin drawer. A quartet of essentials designed to revitalize your Kenmore Frigidaire Refrigerator Parts. This comprehensive kit is like a gentle rain shower for your appliance, cleansing it of its organizational woes and restoring it to its former glory. The door shelf rack bars, sturdy as an oak tree, stand ready to cradle your condiments and beverages, while the crisper bin drawers, as clear as a mountain spring, offer a pristine sanctuary for your produce. Furthermore, these replacement parts are the very heart of a well-organized kitchen, ensuring that every item has its rightful place. Indeed, this is not merely a purchase. Rather, it is an investment in the harmony and efficiency of your culinary space, and subsequently, a testament to your commitment to a tidy home. Moreover, these Kenmore Frigidaire refrigerator parts are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, embodying the perfect marriage of form and function. They fit like a key in a lock, sliding into place with satisfying ease, and immediately transforming a chaotic void into an orderly pantry. The door shelf bars, strong and unyielding, provide the structural backbone for your door's contents, while the crisper bins, like miniature greenhouses, keep your fruits and vegetables crisp and fresh. Simultaneously, they are a lifeline for a tired refrigerator, breathing new life into a machine that works tirelessly for you. Consequently, the installation process is as simple as a gentle breeze, requiring no special tools or expertise, and allowing you to swiftly return to the task of meal preparation with a newly optimized appliance. Therefore, whether you are replacing a cracked shelf or a broken crisper, this set of Kenmore Frigidaire refrigerator parts is the ultimate solution. It is a phoenix rising from the ashes of a cluttered fridge, a beacon of hope for anyone seeking to reclaim their kitchen's order. Likewise, it is a whisper of calm in the midst of a busy day, offering the peace of mind that comes with a perfectly organized appliance. In conclusion, this M Motico kit is more than just a set of replacement parts. It is a gateway to a more efficient, more beautiful kitchen, and an invitation to experience the simple joy of an impeccably organized refrigerator. Pros: good value for money, compatible with multiple brands, easy to replace, crisper bin drawer included, door shelf rack bar included, designed for refrigerators, fits Frigidaire, fits Kenmore. Replacement parts. Cons: parts are not made by the original manufacturer, quality may not be as good as the original. Parts. Features: compatible with Frigidaire, compatible with Kenmore, replaces part 240,534,901, replaces part 240,337,103, easy to install. Durable plastic construction, designed for refrigerators, includes 2 different parts. This product offers a convenient solution for replacing refrigerator parts, including 2 door shelf rack bars, part 240534901, and 2 crisper bin drawers, part 240337103. These replacement parts are compatible with both Frigidaire and Kenmore refrigerators, providing a perfect fit and restoring functionality. Made from durable plastic, they are designed for easy installation, ensuring long-lasting use. This product offers a good value for money with a package including 2 door shelf rack bars and 2 crisper bin drawers. It is compatible with multiple refrigerator brands, specifically Frigidaire and Kenmore, and is designed to be an easy-to-replace, cost-effective alternative to original parts. While these replacement parts are not made by the original manufacturer and their quality may not be as high as the originals. The set provides a convenient solution for those needing both door shelves and crisper bins.